Today we're going to be adding tempera paints to our painting center. First thing you have to do is gather supplies. You will need your tray of tempera paints, your mess mat, your paper, paintbrush with your water bowl, sponge, and you're definitely going to want a tray to mix your colors in. So I have only given you certain colors. I gave you the primary colors, which are red, blue, and yellow. And I gave you black and white. We can make every color we need with just these 5 colors. So I decided that I'm going to make a painting of carrots. Carrots are orange, and I don't have orange paint. So I need to mix orange. How do I make orange? I need to mix it by mixing 2 of my primary colors together. Primary colors are yellow, blue, and red. But how do I make orange? Orange is made by mixing yellow and red together. Watch. Scoop up some of that yellow. Make sure you get a good amount. You can wipe some off. Don't forget to clean your brush before getting your next color, because we don't want to mix the colors together in the cups. Just mix them on your plate. Wiping on my sponge. Make sure everything's off. Now I can get some red and mix. Red and yellow makes orange. Ooh, that's a good orange. So I'm gonna save some of that. The tops of my carrots are green. How do I make green? Green is made by mixing yellow and blue together. So I'm gonna start with my yellow. Put that in one of the cups. Clean my brush. Lots of cleaning brushes when you're using this paint. And get some blue and mix that in. Yellow and blue makes green. And I want my background to be purple. How do I make purple? I take some red and some blue. I mix those 2 together. You may notice that our red looks a little pink. That is because the true red in color mixing is actually magenta, and it makes a better purple. So I have made my secondary colors: orange, green, and purple. Orange, green, and purple are secondary colors because they use 2 primary colors together to make a secondary color. 1 color, 2 colors. Makes sense, right? Black and white are needed to make colors lighter and darker. So if I add some white to a color, I am creating a tint of orange and making a lighter color. If I add black to a color, I am creating a shade, making things darker. Now that I have my colors mixed, it's time to paint.